Senate President Father Mario Jose Ladua, to our supported school directress, Ma'am Lalay Mendoza, to our guest speaker here today, to our parents, to our amazing teachers, Teacher Anthony and Teacher Arwa, to my fellow graduates, good morning po. Before anything else, I would like to thank our Almighty God for guiding and blessing us. For Father Mar and Ma'am Lalay, thank you so much for all the love and support you gave to us. To our teachers, Teacher Anthony and Teacher Arwa, thank you for teaching and guiding us. To my fellow classmates, job well done to us. My beloved school, San Lorenzo Ruiz Daycare Center, I'm so happy that we got to play, learn, and grow together. Thank you for making daycare so much fun. To all our parents, especially to my nanay and tatay, thank you for taking care of us. And once again, congratulations, parents and graduates. I am Kiawa Miwaki Kawalta, your outstanding student for the school year 2024-2025.